What is up, people? I hope you guys are fine and taking a very good care of yourselves. So, welcome back to the channel. And I know that all of us are bored. We can't go anywhere, we can't travel anywhere, we can't go out of our houses, in fact. So, we have got something amazing for you. We have got 18 things that you can do sitting at your homes, which will make your indoors definitely fun. So make sure you watch the video till the end, because we have got some amazing, interesting things lined up for you guys. And please do give it a thumbs up, because your one like motivates us to create more amazing content like this. So moving on to number one. Read and read. Yes, for all of those who are already into reading, a big thumbs up to you guys. And those who are not into reading, please just get a book, it maybe any book, and start reading. Trust me, at some point in your life you will thank me.
Number 2, cook some kind of meal. It can be any cuisine or any desserts which you like at least once in a day. And trust me, you're not going to feel missed out of all the tasty food which you cannot have it outside. And also you're going to learn some new kind of skill, which is definitely a good idea.
Number 3. I think so this one's gonna be most people's favorite out there, because many people plan to do something else but they end up doing this, which is binge watching content. As we say that content ki kabhi nahi hai. We have lots of options. We have Amazon, Netflix, Hotstar, Z, and I guess there are some more as well. I don't remember right now. Yeah. So you have a hell lot of content out there. Watch some good web series, some good movies, and have a good time. Watch it out with your family and have a good time.
Number 4, play games, not just with your friends on your mobile phone, but with your family, like carom, like chess, like snake and ladder, cards, and revive all your childhood memories and make the best of it.
Number 5. So number 5 is reconnecting with your old friends. So usually क्या होता है कि in our day-to-day busy lives we only talk to our close friends. We are talking daily only to those few friends which are close to us. So this is the time, this is the opportunity to connect to all those friends. You know, we have a lot of friends, but we are not able to talk to them on a daily basis. So this is the time, call them and say them that yes, you are important to me. And trust me, this will make your relationship much more stronger with them and much more better as well.
Number 6, check out your old photos in your laptop, in your memory card, in your old phone, and your albums. How can you miss that? And you're going to revive all your childhood memories and the cute and the funny, embarrassing things as well you've gone through in your childhood. And I'm sure you are going to have lot many things to delete as well, lot many things to connect to as well. So do try out that. It does take a lot of time. Make as many editing collage you want and upload it on your social media.
Number 7. Un boleto a Santiago. Yo necesito dinero. Sounds so cool, right? Learn a new language, guys. It really helps your mind to work. It keeps your mind working. And there are a lot of sources which are available online where you can learn a new language for free. So just do some research and make sure you just get started with it.
Number 8, clean your house. Help your mom to clean like utensils, to sweep the floor, to iron the clothes, and every little thing she does. Trust me, you're going to realize by the end of the day the amount of effort your mom and your maid takes to do this daily kind of work. So you should definitely help your mom.
Moving on to number 9. क्या था यार, भूल गया. Yes, this is the most important thing, guys. Number 9 is watch some amazing travel content on our channel, which is Backpackingeverymile, and make sure you subscribe the channel as well. Please hit that subscribe button right in front of you right now.
Number 10, do some kind of exercise, yoga, or even meditation, anything which you like, at least once in a day for 30 minutes. I personally do meditation in 2 parts, like 15 minutes, because I need to calm down and not panic about what is happening right now and just feel positive about everything. I'm sure nobody wants to be unhealthy by the time lockdown finishes. So please make sure you do that and eat healthy.
Number 11. Spend some quality time with your parents, guys. Talk to them, talk to your mom, talk to your dad, talk to your grandparents, like Just have lunch, have dinner together, watch shows together, play some games together, and make the most of your time at home, guys. You don't get this time very often, and try to make the most of it. That's all I would like to say.
Number 12, self-care. I am sure all of us don't get enough time to take care of our hair and skin, and this is the time where we can try all kind of natural ingredients on our hair and skin and help them grow in a better way. And not just that, if you're a girl, you can experiment so many hairstyle and makeup hacks on you, and I'm sure all of us wanted to do that at some point in our life, but we didn't get the time. So what are you actually waiting for? You can try that now.
Number 13. So this one is really important to all you millennials out there. It's about creating a side hustle. You know, all of us are so busy with our lives, doing our jobs, making some good money and stuff, that there's always one thing that we always want to do, but we don't have time, or we are very much afraid to do that because it's quite risky. So this is the time, do some more research about it, get into the details of it, and you never know, it may turn out to be really good for you. So keep creating your side hustle.
Number 14, explore the creative side. Like, you can try some kind of painting, sketching, drawing, and it's going to be interesting. Like, I tried doing something, it's kind of embarrassing, but it's fine. Like, it's not that great because I'm not a good artist, but I just tried that, and yeah, you can try that, and trust me, it's going to be funny, but you're going to enjoy that.
Number 15, eat like a king, as much as you want, whenever you want, but make sure you guys be sensible and eat healthy.
Number 16. 16. Try dancing or singing or any kind of thing which you like. And I'm a very bad dancer, so I tried dancing, and this is how it looks like.
A few moments later.
Number 17 is my personal favorite, and I guess most of you guys would like to do it, is sleep as much as you can, whenever you want to, any time of the day, any time of the night. There's no one to stop you. You can just sleep whenever you want to, and you can't do this often. Not even often, you can't do this anytime, right? Our lives are so busy, we hardly get to sleep in the night, that too like few hours. This is the time, cover up for that and sleep as much as you can.
Number 18, this is the last but not the least, it's inculcating some kind of good habit in you. It can be anything, like not just good habit, but getting rid of some practice or some habit which you're not able to do since so long, or trying something new which you always wanted to inculcate. So this is the right time to begin with it and follow it daily as your routine. So don't wait more and just begin with it, guys. So guys, this is the end of our video. I hope you really liked it, and do mention in the comment section if there are some more things we could do in the lockdown, and stay tuned to our channel. We are coming up with more amazing content, and also please do like, share and comment, and share it with as many friends you can. It's going to be a great help, and please do show some love. Stay safe, stay at home. See you until next video. Bye.